All right. Now, you wanna hit with the fat part of the bat. So here you go. Hold it with those two hands. Now, you're gonna try to. Nice hit. Okay, try again. Two hands on the grip. Now you gotta put the fat end up on your shoulder. Nice hit, Theo. Okay, Theo. You gonna try again?
No, I'll try again. Soccer player.
Soccer player? Okay. You know, up on your shoulder. And put two hands on the grip. That's right. Try. There you go. Now swing it. You want some help? Here, let me help you. Oh, you got it. That's it. Now swing it. Swing the bat. Good job! Hooray!